Hey family, how you doing? We're gonna figure out what that is when I come back with you.
I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
If you're wondering, why are you walking away? You just told us what they're gonna do. Well, this is a little mail call video and a little cooking video, all in one. I gotta show you the stickers some of you family members out there have sent me, and it's awesome. So, Mel Nettie, Living Free Zip Code. They sent me a sticker. Not only that, they're the sponsor of today's video because what I'm going to show you, they got for me. You guys met P&W Bushcraft already. There's one of their stickers. There's another one of their stickers right there. You guys met them already. Aren't they pretty cool, guys? Huh. And then Buckeye Kitty, right there, she also sent me the Weather Boys, which is her cat's whole thing that she got going on. Isn't that crazy? So I'm gonna head back up there and I'll talk to you a little bit while I'm waiting for it to season. I've already got the burger patties made. If you want to know my burger recipe, let me know in the comments below. So, what that is right there, get my joystick with my gum going, this is a Blackstone AdVanture 17-inch grill. Woo! Still getting used to the gimbal with it. We're gonna work on it. So it's a 17-inch Blackstone AdVanture Ready grill. I'm seasoning now. You have to season it. If you want to know how to season this and you want to know how to really use them well, you need to go check out Daydream About Nice Things, his channel, and he can explain how to use it more. That's who I learned from. But I'm going to get to seasoning this, and thank you Mel Nettie for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to come back when I've got some burgers on there, and we're going to cook up some burgers and have some good burgers. So while I'm doing that, we'll put some music on. But I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit first and let you know what's going on. So I'll see you after a bit. Alright guys, so you're all done, and I made myself. I was making the burgers didn't stay well together, so I call it a sloppy bob. Got pastrami, horseradish, mustard, and what I could do with the burger. So I'm gonna go eat this, and that is it for today's video. Thank you again, Mel Nettie, and if you want to cook any around, Blackstone AdVanture Grill, hop on it guys. See you tomorrow.